Good morning. So, woke up with a good start, drank some water, had a couple blueberries. Gonna try out some new recipes. Actually, gonna do taquitos with the corn tortillas, chicken, and turkey. So, a little bit of both. How was everyone for a morning? Love getting up early. Cooler weather. Temperatures are nice. So I will see you right after this. So gonna fix up lunch early. Got the taco kit. Gonna get it open. So it's boneless chicken. Got some cheese. I am going to start out by getting a paper plate. I do all the meal prep on here. 2 corn tortillas. So I'm gonna set you guys over here in the meantime. So how's everyone doing? Today is December 2nd. Is it crazy? You're going by pretty fast. Almost. Kind of hard to believe the year is almost over, but can't believe it. But good thing. Looking forward to next year. So got plenty of chicken here. Hope everyone is doing well for December. I know I'm doing pretty well. Weather is nice, not too bad. So I'm gonna take advantage of it. It's not too hot, not too cold, just perfect. So I'm gonna grab my 2 tortillas in the fridge using corn. Got my 2 corn tortillas and heating them up in the microwave. Put them on a paper towel so that they're nice and soft. Gonna let those heat up. And then we will proceed. So, got it all there. Oh, done. Gonna take them out. Oh, warm, warm, warm. So, gonna pick it up and gonna put them on the plate. So I'm gonna set you guys down. So I got my 2 corn tortillas here, and I'm gonna start by shredding up some chicken. Got the lid, set that aside. I'm gonna shred the chicken up. These are perfect size tortillas, and I am going to actually roll these up. Gonna make little microwave chicken taquitos. But you could also do them with turkey. So I'm gonna start out by shredding some chicken. Move these in the middle of the plate. Perfect. So I'm gonna take care of that. Got that. I'm gonna roll one tortilla up. Added some shredded cheese on the top. I'm gonna roll from the bottom and go up. And trick is you're gonna roll tight as best you can. So I'm gonna roll as tight as I can make it. One done. When I do the second one, same thing. Gonna start from the bottom, add on some shredded chicken, and then add on the shredded cheese and roll. Made one. Gonna do the next one. second tortilla. I'm gonna roll from the bottom. Gonna make it tight and put it on the plate, see upside down. Got that. 2 are done. I am going to, whoops. It somehow opened up. Gonna have to re-roll. And press. One of them's a little bit bigger than the other, but so what? It's still gonna work just fine. And gonna take them to the microwave. One is not perfectly rolled, but so what? Still gonna look good. And then I will return. Alrighty. Taquitos are done. Looks good. Got a little crisp on the side. That's perfect. I am going to do one thing at a time. They're done. Gonna grab the turkey in the fridge. So I'm actually gonna close up the taco kit with the chicken. There's still some cheese in here, but I'll figure it out. I'll probably use it. So never mind closing it. So I'm gonna grab the rest of the ingredients. 2 more corn tortillas. Gonna heat them up. I did 2 chicken taquitos, microwave. If you like them soft, you can just throw them in here. If you like them crunchy, you can do them in the oven with a little bit of olive oil. So either way works. So I'm getting that done. So microwave taquitos. You want something quick. The edges are a little bit crisp. That's perfect. So got 2 taquitos done, 2 chicken, and gonna do the turkey meat next. So I'm gonna have to shred everything. Ooh, 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 hot, hot, hot. And then everything will be good to go. So you guys have any plans for Christmas? Comment below. So far I have none, but who knows? I may change my mind, but we shall see. So easy to make meals in the microwave. Got corn tortillas, so these are perfect. So I'm gonna do the same thing as the chicken. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. I'm gonna put some shredded turkey meat at the bottom, and then add the cheese on. So either way, you can do shredded cheese first, which probably better, and then turkey meat goes on. Then you roll from the bottom. Make them as tight as you can make them, but not too tight to where the tortilla is gonna break. But whatever you feel is tight enough, you can do. So I'm gonna shred the turkey meat and put it on the tortilla. Third tortilla on the 4th one. Gonna add shredded turkey meat at the bottom and shredded cheese also. We don't need too much, just a tiny bit, about the size of your hand, sort of. So you choose. I hope you enjoyed my taquito making video on how to make chicken and turkey taquitos. Real easy recipe. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you're new, follow me on YouTube, Louise Arellano, and if you want to see any more recipes with tortillas, leave a comment below. If you haven't tried the chicken taquitos, making them from scratch, highly recommend you do. And questions or comments, leave them below. And I will see you in the next video. Come on.